Rinspeed Snap. The Rinspeed Snap is a futuristic concept vehicle that redefines mobility. Its unique modular design sets it apart from anything else on the road. The Snap consists of two main parts, a skateboard chassis and a detachable pod. The chassis contains all the driving technology, while the pod serves as the passenger compartment. This modular system allows the pod to be easily swapped. It can transform into different spaces, like a self-driving car, a mobile office, an entertainment lounge, or even a delivery unit. Powered by an electric drivetrain, the Snap offers eco-friendly transportation. Its autonomous driving capabilities make it perfect for smart cities, focusing on efficiency and sustainability. Inside, passengers experience high-tech features, including smart displays, AI integration, and comfort-focused amenities. While the price of the Snap is not yet available, its innovative design and cutting-edge technology suggest it could be a premium investment. The Rinspeed Snap is more than just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of travel in tomorrow's cities. Gervasutti Shelter. The Gervasutti Shelter is a groundbreaking prefabricated alpine refuge. It's designed to offer safety and comfort in extreme mountain conditions. Perched on the edge of a cliff in the Mont Blanc region, this futuristic pod provides breathtaking panoramic views. At the same time, it is built to withstand the harshest weather. The shelter is made from lightweight, high-strength materials. This allows it to be transported and assembled with minimal environmental impact. Inside, it offers a cozy living space that can accommodate up to 12 people. The interior includes beds, a small kitchenette, and solar-powered lighting. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the Gervasutti Shelter combines sustainability, functionality, and modern design. It's an ideal haven for mountaineers seeking a safe and innovative refuge in the heart of nature. Audi Aicon. The Audi Aicon is a groundbreaking concept car that reimagines the future of transportation. This unmanned electric vehicle was first unveiled at the 2017 International Motor Show in Frankfurt. One of its most striking features is the complete absence of traditional controls. There's no steering wheel, no pedals, nothing. That's because the Audi Aicon operates at the highest level of driving automation, Level 5. It's designed to drive entirely on its own, making human intervention unnecessary. The car is powered by a unique lithium battery, offering an impressive range of up to 800 kilometers. At the time of its debut, this range was close to record-breaking for an electric vehicle. Audi envisions a future where all vehicles are part of an interconnected transportation system. This system aims to optimize traffic flow, reduce braking and acceleration, and ultimately make travel faster and smoother. Even at speeds of up to 130 km per hour, the risk of accidents is minimal. This innovative safety approach means the Audi Aicon doesn't require seatbelts. For added comfort, the passenger seats have swivel mechanisms. This allows front-row passengers to turn and face those in the back, creating a more social and flexible cabin environment. The car also provides generous storage space, with 2 luggage compartments, one in the front and one in the back. Together, they offer a combined capacity of 600 liters. High-tech features make the Aicon even more futuristic. A built-in personal assistant recognizes the owner and passengers. It remembers their preferences for seating, climate, and entertainment and adjusts settings automatically. To enhance the user experience, the Aicon includes advanced touchscreen displays. These displays can be controlled with just your eyes, making navigation through menus seamless and intuitive. The Audi Aicon isn't just a car. It's a vision of what transportation could look like in the future: automated, connected, and incredibly convenient. BionicM Bio Leg. The BionicM Bio Leg brings together robotics and bionic technology to revolutionize prosthetics. It transforms the prosthetic knee into an active muscle, aiming to not just restore your gait but also help you rediscover your balance. By minimizing compensatory movements, it reduces the risk of pain and discomfort in the sound side and lower back. When the knee is bent, The prosthetic leg provides full ground contact. This allows wearers to confidently descend stairs. It also features an assist function for standing up. By simply placing weight on both the prosthetic leg and the sound side, users can easily rise from a seated position. With its advanced design, the BionicM Bio Leg offers improved mobility, comfort, and independence for its users. Largest SUV, the Dobian. Introducing the Dobian, the largest SUV in the world. This colossal creation isn't your typical family vehicle. Built by Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan, a member of Abu Dhabi's ruling family, this SUV is a masterpiece of size and extravagance. Standing at a towering 10.8 meters tall and stretching 21.6 meters long, the Dobian weighs an incredible 24 tons. Its design is inspired by the 1950s Dodge Power Wagon but taken to a whole new level. This massive SUV rides on 10 wheels and comes with a fully furnished interior. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, a living room, and even a bathroom. It's essentially a rolling mansion on wheels. Powering this beast are 4 engines, though the exact specs and performance details remain a closely guarded secret. This unique vehicle isn't something you can pick up at a dealership. The estimated cost to build it? Around $1 million. Currently housed at the Emirates National Auto Museum, the Dobian is more than just an SUV. It's a symbol of Sheikh Hamad's passion for extraordinary vehicles and his desire to push the boundaries of automotive engineering. This vehicle is a true marvel and a one-of-a-kind symbol of automotive excess. NASA Puffin. The NASA Puffin is an innovative personal aircraft concept. It aims to transform urban and short-range travel. This single-person electric aircraft is a vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle. Its compact and lightweight design resembles a penguin in flight, which inspired its name. Powered by an electric motor, the Puffin produces zero emissions. It's quiet, highly efficient, and eco-friendly, making it a sustainable option for personal transportation. The Puffin can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour and has a range of about 50 miles on a single charge. Its vertical takeoff and landing capability means it doesn't need a runway. This makes it perfect for use in confined spaces. With its futuristic design and advanced technology, the NASA Puffin could redefine the way we travel in the future. PRINOTH LEITWOLF H2 Motion. The PRINOTH LEITWOLF H2 Motion is a cutting-edge electric snow groomer. It's designed to revolutionize the winter sports industry with its innovative approach. This machine combines the efficiency of electric technology with the durability of traditional snow groomers. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the LEITWOLF H2 Motion offers extended operating time without the need for refueling. Its electric motors deliver instant torque and smooth acceleration, ensuring top performance on all types of terrain. The machine runs with minimal noise and zero emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option for winter resorts. As a concept snow groomer, the PRINOTH LEITWOLF H2 Motion represents the future of sustainable snow grooming. Rinspeed Oasis. The Rinspeed Oasis isn't just a car, it's a mobile entertainment hub. This futuristic two-seater electric vehicle offers more than just transportation. One standout feature? It can drive itself. Passengers can relax, work, or simply enjoy their ride while the Oasis takes care of the road. Prefer driving? No problem. When you're not using the steering wheel, it transforms into a compact workstation. It even comes with a built-in keyboard. At the front of the car, there's a unique touch, a small, built-in garden. Imagine growing plants while you travel. Inside, the Oasis feels more like a cozy lounge. It's equipped with comfortable chairs, a sleek table, and even a TV for your entertainment needs. This innovative vehicle runs on an electric drive system and features a large solar panel on the roof for added efficiency. Plus, its controlled rear wheels ensure outstanding maneuverability, making it perfect for tight urban spaces. The Rinspeed Oasis truly redefines what a car can be. HyperPort. The HyperPort is set to revolutionize cargo transportation. It offers a faster and eco-friendly solution for port operations. Developed by Hyperloop TT, The system addresses common issues in traditional shipping, such as congestion and pollution. Using high-speed capsules, the HyperPort can transport shipping containers at speeds similar to airplanes. This allows goods to move across hundreds of kilometers in just minutes. Designed by Moretti, the capsules can carry 2 standard 20-foot containers or 1 larger one. One of the key features of the HyperPort is its compatibility with current port infrastructure. It uses cranes for easy loading and unloading, making it efficient to integrate. Developed with input from HHLA, a major terminal operator, the system also prioritizes worker safety. By operating in a controlled environment, it avoids traffic and weather disruptions. Though still in development, the HyperPort has the potential to significantly reduce port congestion, lower emissions, and minimize the land needed for operations. It could transform global cargo transport, making it more efficient and sustainable. Underground tunnel transportation. Elon Musk's Boring Company is expanding its underground tunnel network in Las Vegas. These tunnels are designed to reduce traffic congestion, no matter how big the city gets. As cities grow, more levels of tunnels can be added to keep things moving smoothly. The Boring Company recently received approval to expand its network downtown, as part of a plan to connect the most popular locations in Las Vegas. Musk's vision includes linking the Las Vegas Strip, Harry Reid International Airport, Allegiant Stadium, downtown Las Vegas, and possibly even Los Angeles in the future. First approved in October 2021 by the Clark County Commissioners, this latest approval allows for tunnels to be built from the Stratosphere to Fremont Street. When the project is completed, it will include 51 stops and span 29 miles, with the capacity to transport up to 57,000 passengers per hour. Currently, only 1.7 miles of tunnels underneath the Las Vegas Convention Center are operational. This system turns what used to be a 25-minute walk across the convention campus into a quick 2-minute ride, using Tesla Model X and Model Y vehicles driven by humans. This underground network could revolutionize how people move around busy cities, making transportation faster and more efficient. Toyota FV2 Concept: a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. The Toyota FV2 is a revolutionary concept vehicle that changes how we think about driving. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, the FV2 is controlled by the driver's body movements, creating a deeper connection between person and machine. This futuristic vehicle feels more like a robot than a car, featuring an augmented reality windshield and a system that responds to how you move. With 4 wheels arranged in a diamond shape, the FV2 leans into corners like a motorcycle, but with extra stability. You can drive it either sitting or standing, with acceleration, braking, and steering all done through simple shifts in your body weight. Toyota designed the FV2 to make driving more intuitive and fun, blending cutting-edge technology with a personalized driving experience. This concept showcases Toyota's bold vision for the future of personal transportation. XTURISMO Hoverbike. A glimpse into the future of personal flight. The XTURISMO Hoverbike by ERWINS Technologies in Japan is bringing the concept of personal flying vehicles to life. This cutting-edge, single-person craft is powered by a combination of 2 gas-powered Kawasaki engines for thrust and 4 smaller electric fans for balance and maneuverability. Thanks to this hybrid setup, the XTURISMO can fly for up to 40 minutes and reach speeds of 62 miles per hour. For now, the hoverbike is restricted to racetrack use in Japan, but its developers have bigger aspirations. They envision it being used not just for fun, but also in practical scenarios like search and rescue missions, disaster relief, and inspecting infrastructure. Although it's on the market, the high cost and current legal limitations mean it's not widely accessible. Even with these hurdles, the XTURISMO is a major step toward a future where flying vehicles become a normal part of everyday transportation.
The Visua tank is a unique vehicle designed for both fun and practical use. It can hit speeds of 80 kilometers per hour and has room for up to 10 passengers. With a ground clearance of 580 millimeters and an engine that delivers up to 383 horsepower, it's well suited for off-road adventures or commercial tasks. Despite its rugged appearance, it's not a combat vehicle, but rather a sturdy and reliable machine. If you're curious, you can even book a test drive. The company hasn't revealed the official price yet, but estimates suggest it's around $76,000. Production is exclusive, with only 15 units made each year, making it a rare find. What's interesting is that you'll need a tractor driver's license to operate the Visua tank, since it's a bit different from your everyday car.
Sparrow 8 Concept, a striking fusion of hot rod and stealth bomber design. The Sparrow 8 Concept is a remarkable vehicle that blends the classic charm of a hot rod with the sleek, edgy design of a stealth bomber. Designed and built from scratch by students at the Sparrow Mont Bellard School of Design in just 40 days, this car is truly unique. Powered by a 3.2-liter twin-turbocharged Maserati V8 engine from a salvaged Maserati 3200 GT, the Sparrow 8 delivers 368 horsepower to the rear wheels, ensuring it has both speed and performance. What makes the Sparrow 8 stand out is its sharp, angular design, a stark contrast to the smooth curves of traditional hot rods. This aggressive look sets it apart on the road. The exact cost is unknown, and being a student-built concept car, it likely won't be available for purchase, making it a rare automotive creation.